I guess we're doing the ridge walk now.
Yeah.
That wasn't the plan, but we'll walk for a bit. We are kind of willy-nilly with everything, so whatever we want to do.
I think my favorite...
Sorry.
Oh, it's fine. Nothing super important. My favorite sort of days when we're traveling are just when we take it as it comes.
Absolutely.
Oh, you want to go here? Sure.
Yeah.
Want to go there? Yeah, alright.
We need that right now. Nice breeze, too.
Another doggo.
Where's the doggo? Doggo! 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 This is such a beautiful walk, eh?
Yeah.
It's funny, we switched to this camera from the GoPro, thinking it might be the end of fisheye. Now all of our shots are fisheye.
But it's a subtle fisheye.
How do you feel about our wide angle lens?
Happy.
It shows you in a wide angle.
I lost the cap though, so hopefully that doesn't cause problems.
I love when you can taste sunscreen.
You don't love that. Gorgeous.
Yeah. I'm gonna switch bucket.
Good.
Squishy buckets.
Yeah. Where are you going to squish bucket? Oh, you're squishing my bucket.
So much liquid came off your wrist when I touched it.
Yeah, I'm sweating a lot. Like a lot. And yet, this is my ideal temperature.
Yeah, me too.
One where I sweat profusely.
Can you see how short my hair's got from the humidity? It's like...
Yeah, that's really cool. Wow. Say
I feel like those trees there in the distance, the tall ones with the layers,
yeah,
they look a lot like those stepped pagoda things we saw at the bottom of this trail.
that's true.
Very similar. That is a cacti.
Yeah, thriving. Yeah.
Beautiful rice.
Yeah, I was trying to get the camera out in time because it sounded exactly like the soundtrack for Akira over there, but we missed it. Well, we didn't miss it, but the camera missed it. You guys missed it. Sorry, internet.
Start again. We'll see.
Yeah.
That's what I live for.
Yeah.
Wandering around.
Seeing some stuff. Beautiful country. Oh yeah. Little guy.
I think there's like an American country song about that, right? Like a folk song. Turkey in the bushes, doo-dah.
Oh yeah.
No, chicken in the bushes.
I'm glad we went this way. It's beautiful here.
That is not where you want to fall.
A little fluffer. Fluffing it up. Look out, little fluffy guy. There's vehicles.
Careful, Fluffy man. Careful. I love how here, this is like a gas stop. You buy one of these little bottles with gas in it.
Right, Paul?
Doesn't it look like some kind of festivals going on here too?
Kinda, yeah.
Over here or something?
Pretty cool.
But Panda doesn't like milk either. Adventure beers. Midnight. First one we've had since we got here. We've been here quite a while now.
Yeah.
The whole morning.
I'm envious. I haven't gotten to mine yet.
It's the
Took
spot.
the cap off though.
Also Japanese umami.
Yeah.
And I can't open
Is
that.
this Bali high? Okay. I guess we'll check back in a sec.
How is your not bintang?
It's good.
Can you turn it?
Even prefer it to the bintang.
Can you turn it so I can see
Oh,
what
of
it's called?
course. Yeah.
It's called Bali High?
Yeah. It's well, you put it smoother,
Yeah. Which you say is waterier.
but not necessarily in a bad way.
Hmm.
It's hot. I sweat a lot today, so it's
Yeah.
kind of the perfect thing.
It's not hot.
No.
We were talking about how in Egypt 50 degrees was murder because it was like a dry heat, and it was whenever it was windy it was like having a hairdryer turned on you.
Mm-hmm.
But here it's 100% humidity and only about 30 degrees. I would take this any
This
day.
is my idea of perfect summer
Yeah.
weather.
Yep.
Although the chance of rain is a little scary. But
Yeah.
whatever.
So far, so good.
We have a whole day without no
Yeah.
rain.
And right now it doesn't look that rainy.
By day, I suppose I mean outing.
So cool that our hotel's like looking out on all these rice terraces. Or rice fields, I should say. There's more around the corner. We can show you later. We have the whole way around. Ready?
This pool is so lovely. How do you like the pool?
It's warm.
Yeah, it's the spot after some nice walks.
It's actually pretty chilly.
Yeah,
You want to see me swim?
I do.
How? Can you do a backflip? Do I like swim in the water?
Yeah, do some stuff.
So cool that this is actually just in our hotel. Just walk down these rice terraces, hang out. It's a little shrine.